Today I'm really excited to show you guys how I make flan at home. Start by preheating your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to head over to our stove to make the caramel. We're going to add 3/4 of granulated sugar to a pan at a medium heat. We are going to stir until the caramel has reached a dark brown color. Then we're ready to pour our caramel into our baking pan. Try to do this right away after you are done cooking, but if the caramel hardens a little, don't be afraid you haven't messed up. It's happened to me many times, and each time it seems to distribute well during cooking. Okay, so now we're going to start on the flan. In a blender, we are going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 can of media crema, 1 can of condensed milk, 5 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So if we were to stop here and cook our flan, we would get a very delicious light and creamy consistency. But if you like your flan to be more of like a cheesecake texture and more firm, then you may want to add 1 package of cream cheese. That's really delicious as well. It's really just up to your preference and what type of consistency you like in your flan. So this step is obviously optional. Today I'm cooking it without the cream cheese. I'm going to fill my outer pan with 1 inch of water, and this here is called a water bath. So as you can see, I am cooking with an angel food cake pan, which just so happens to fit in my water bath. But feel free to use any baking pan you like, except I wouldn't recommend ceramic or glass. I'm not sure if I did anything wrong, but every time I've used those for flan, it just didn't really work out for me. Then we're going to bake for 1 hour. Once it's cooked, I like to refrigerate for about 1 hour. And then we're ready to serve. And as always, my little taste tester is right here next to me, ready to be served. And he seems to really enjoy it. I really hope you try out this recipe. We will see you guys next time.